Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Holly Christine and I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 little boys. My first little boy is Holden and he is 4 years old, and then I also have a baby who is 8 months old currently at the time of filming this, and his name is Dawson. So I stay at home with them for the most part. I do have a very part-time job that I go to like one afternoon a week. Just kind of helps to get me out of the house, that sort of thing. But with my channel, my focus here is to bring moms inspiration. So that's to try and help you guys with hacks, cleaning hacks, cooking hacks, meal prepping, all sorts of ideas like that. I'm here to give you cleaning inspiration, homemaking inspiration, and that is my goal with this channel, is to always help inspire you. So if you are a stay-at-home mom, or not even a stay-at-home mom, just any mom in general, my goal is to help you, bring you some inspiration that you can take home to your families when it comes to cleaning or parenting, some ideas, some fun ideas and things to do with your kids, show some days in the life, just to kind of give you an idea of what other moms do, so that maybe if you're having a day and you're like, I don't know what to do with my kids today, you throw up one of my videos with the day in the life and you can see how I spend my day with my 2 kids and maybe get some ideas from that. So my aim for this channel is to always, like I said, help to give you some inspiration in one way or another, whether that's cooking, cleaning, mom life, whatever, and to just try to help you push you to be the best person that you can be, because that is a journey that I'm always on. I'm always trying to learn more about myself and ways to be better and ways to do better. So I'm trying to convey that through my channel as well to you guys, and I really hope that you, by watching my videos, you can kind of get that feeling and take some of that inspiration away. So thank you so much for stopping on this video. I would absolutely love it if you did hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and make sure you click the bell so that you are notified anytime that I upload a new video, which is typically 2 times a week, sometimes 3 times a week. But yeah, I try to put out as much content as I possibly can for you guys, but of course it's busy. Mom life is busy. Anyways, thanks so much for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope you are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.